data identifying patterns and correlations that might be missed by human investigators. These patterns could be between the type of building and the cause of fire, the time of the year and the intensity of the fire, or any other multitude of factors. The benefits realized by the Fire Department of New York City were significant. The AI system increased the efficiency of fire investigations dramatically. Investigators were no longer required to manually analyze every single piece of data. Instead, they could focus on the crucial aspects of the investigation, guided by the AI's predictions. Moreover, the accuracy of these investigations improved. The AI system, with its ability to analyze large datasets and detect patterns, made fewer mistakes than human investigators. It was not influenced by bias or fatigue, and it did not overlook or forget information. The results? A significant reduction in investigation time and an increase in accuracy. But what does this mean for the future of fire investigations? The success of the FDNY's AI system marks a new era in fire investigations. Imagine a world where every fire department, be it in bustling New York City or secluded rural towns, harnesses the power of artificial intelligence. This isn't about robots replacing human investigators. Instead, it's about augmenting their capabilities, providing them with a potent tool that can sift through data at lightning speed and pinpoint potential causes with unparalleled accuracy. AI in fire investigations could mean faster responses, more accurate determinations, and ultimately lives saved, but we're only at the dawn of this transformative era. There's a need for further research, for continued development, for the refinement of algorithms and systems. The potential is immense, and we're just beginning to tap into it. With the help of AI, the future of fire investigations looks brighter, faster, and more accurate than ever